So you guys have seen me flatten out a CNC router bed using these cheap little guys. Consider it your training wheel. But now it's time to man up with a man-sized tramming router bit. This guy is going to take material off a lot faster and they're going to last a really long time. We've got 4 cutters on this particular guy, meaning that we can run extremely fast on our ATC. And as we wear out some of our actual bits itself, we can replace these, but not just so quickly, because we can actually rotate each one of these router bits 4 times. So we're going to get really, really good lifespan out of this. So let's load this up into the machine and make some dust. All right, so we have just finished tramming our CNC router bed, and I must be honest, it looks like a glass sable. The first thing I want to do before I talk too much nonsense is check the condition of our router bits. Firstly, I'm going to inspect the tool, which looks good, but I want to feel if we have any heat within our cutter as well as our collets. At this stage, it literally is ambient temperature, call it ice cold. That means our current running and setup for this router bit is absolutely exquisite. Now we are cutting at a slightly slower chip load of 0.125, and this is an industrial machine, so we know we can go a hell of a lot faster, but in all honesty, rather start off slow. The good news is this router bit isn't something I've rushed out and bought from somewhere else. You can actually get this over at AM.CO.za, and if you'd like to find out how I've set this tool up to run on this machine, well, like and subscribe to us on Facebook, YouTube, all of our social media channels, and you will be able to download the feeds and speeds for this router bit so you can get the same results that I have right now.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.